17. Candidate number 17 is wearing a native attire hug symbolizes of Ifugao, a spiritual messenger. Matched by the design of once known as 18th wonder of the world, Banawe rice terraces, rice-inspired symbol of fertility, prosperity, and sustenance. With tattoo, ginuttu, a geometric design adorned beast, and ceremonial belt worn by Ifugao warriors. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 7 from Ifugao Community, Hong Kong.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's candidate number 17, Mona Lisa Calindas Pugong, representing the Ifugao community, Hong Kong. Now joining Mona Lisa Calindas Pugong on stage are the representatives of Ifugao community HK, namely,
Let's welcome on stage Annalisa Alaga Blas and Miss Barkadahan 2023 Isel Miranda. Once again, the Ifugao Community, Hong Kong.